Businesses are growing and you're growing with them. It's time for your transport company to go global, and we can help. OSI Global Supply Chain manages your international needs, delivering flexibility and consistency to your daily transport and logistics operations. With our system, we effectively guarantee the appropriate transport service for each member, gaining quality by monitoring on-time deliveries and appropriate time to market, reducing waste on unnecessary movements and improving operational margins by consolidating shipments. OSI Global Mobility System gives users the ability to enter consignments directly into our depot system and access real-time delivery information. We can collaborate and optimize your services through engineering hub stations that utilize spoke pallet distribution. OSI Global Mobility System track your products anywhere in the world and offer proof of delivery to keep you one step ahead in the market. OSI Global members share knowledge, expertise and experience with each other, breaking down international boundaries. Always building and improving, we are actively searching for new members across Europe. Members who are able to see the big picture and are willing to work in connecting with each other. Come and join us, creating a truly global supply chain that is the best solution for small, medium and large freight loads. Our key benefits and features include growth by retaining clients and gaining new ones, networking between members and offering full integration, optimizing by Freight Exchange Portal with more than 7,000 members. Together, we'll take your business and make it an international start. Visit onsite-osi.com to learn more.